Have you ever spent too much time peeling vegetables, dealing with a messy sink, struggling to clean stubborn stains, or spending forever chopping ingredients? Small kitchen tasks can quickly become frustrating and take the fun out of cooking and cleaning. In today's video, I'm sharing 5 Amazon must-have kitchen tools that can help make everyday tasks faster, easier, and more organized. From meal prep to deep cleaning, these practical gadgets are designed to solve common kitchen problems and save you valuable time. Stay until the end to see which one could be the biggest upgrade for your kitchen. Product links in the description box. Number 5. Sunkuka Potato Apple Vegetable Peeler. The Sunkuka Vegetable Peeler is a reliable kitchen essential for peeling fruits and vegetables quickly and efficiently. Its sharp stainless steel blade glides smoothly through potato, apple, carrot, cucumber, and other produce skins, helping reduce waste while maintaining precision. The ergonomic handle offers a comfortable grip for better control during use, making food preparation easier for everyday cooking. Compact, lightweight, and easy to clean, this peeler is suitable for both home cooks and busy kitchens. It's a simple yet practical tool that adds convenience to daily meal preparation. Number 4. Geniza Food Processor. The Geniza Food Processor is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to simplify meal preparation. It can quickly chop vegetables, mince meat, blend ingredients, and prepare a variety of recipes with ease. Equipped with durable stainless steel blades and a powerful motor, it delivers consistent results for everyday cooking needs. Its spacious bowl provides ample capacity for family meals, while the user-friendly controls make operations simple and convenient. Easy to assemble and clean, this food processor is a practical tool for anyone looking to save time in the kitchen. Number 3. TUYU Electric Spin Scrubber. Make household cleaning easier with the TUYU Electric Spin Scrubber. This cordless cleaning tool features rotating brush heads that help remove dirt, soap scum, and stains from various surfaces with less manual effort. Ideal for bathrooms, kitchens, tiles, tubs, and floors, it helps tackle tough cleaning jobs more efficiently. Its lightweight design and comfortable handle make it easy to use, while multiple brush attachments provide versatility for different tasks. Rechargeable and convenient, this spin scrubber is a helpful addition to any home cleaning routine. Number 2. Consuma Sponge Holder for Kitchen Sink. Keep your kitchen sink neat and organized with this convenient sponge holder. Designed to store sponges, scrub brushes, and sink accessories, it helps reduce countertop clutter while allowing items to dry quickly. Its open design promotes airflow to minimize moisture buildup and keep cleaning tools fresh. Made from durable materials, the holder is built to withstand daily use in busy kitchens. Simple to install and easy to maintain, it provides a practical storage solution that keeps your sink area tidy and your cleaning essentials within easy reach. Number 1. Potato Apple Vegetable Peeler. This handy vegetable peeler makes everyday food preparation faster and easier. Its sharp stainless steel blade smoothly removes the skin from potatoes, apples, carrots, cucumbers, and other fruits and vegetables with minimal waste. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable, secure grip for better control while peeling. Lightweight yet durable, it is designed for regular kitchen use and is easy to clean after every meal. Whether you're preparing salads, snacks, or family dinners, this versatile peeler is a practical tool that helps save time and effort in the kitchen. And that's our list of 5 Amazon must-have kitchen tools you need now. I hope you found a gadget that can make your cooking and cleaning routine a little easier and more enjoyable. If you want to check out any of these products, you'll find the links in the description below. Let me know in the comments which kitchen tool is your favorite or which one you'd love to try. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more kitchen finds and helpful product reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.